Tired of manually typing data from PDFs, invoices, and receipts into your spreadsheets? What if you could automate that entire process using AI in just a few seconds? Today, we're looking at Lido, an AI tool designed to extract data from any document directly into Excel or Google Sheets with over 99% accuracy. Lido is a document-driven automation platform located at lido.app. Unlike legacy OCR tools that require weeks of training and rigid templates, Lido uses AI to read documents just like a human would. Whether your files are typed, handwritten, scanned, photographed, or in different languages, Lido can read them and pull out exactly what you need. It's built specifically for finance and operations teams who want to scale their workflows without adding headcount. The best part about Lido is how incredibly simple it is to use. You don't need to be a programmer. You start by uploading a PDF to their interactive demo. Next, you simply type in the column names for the specific data points you want to extract, like invoice number, total amount, or billing date. You can even add extra instructions or extract multiple rows per document. Lido instantly pulls that data into clean, usable tables. But it goes beyond just basic extraction. Lido lets you automate your entire workflow. You can automatically ingest files from shared folders or email inboxes, extract the structured data, validate it against your internal systems, and then trigger automated next steps, like uploading to your ERP, filling out forms, or exporting a clean CSV. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, Lido offers a 1-hour implementation compared to the weeks required by legacy systems, and it eliminates up to 90% of manual data entry. According to official case studies, users report massive time savings. One operations team even processed over 16,000 claims in just 5 days, a task that previously took them months. For the cons, we want to be completely transparent. We currently have limited independent third-party user reviews in our database to pull from. However, Lido's official platform is highly transparent, letting you test the technology yourself before committing. If you want to try it out, Lido offers 50 free page conversions with absolutely no credit card required. You can test their interactive data extraction demo right on their homepage at lido.app. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more automation tutorials, and let us know in the comments how much time this tool is going to save you. See you in the next video.